Hey guys, it's Dennis and Kulika here. It's a beautiful winter day. We thought we'd go and do a little hike. And we're going to try and feed the little chickadees here.
They're just flying all around there.
Yeah, we're at Pike Lake Provincial Park. So Kulika's going to try and feed them. I'm sure it's going to be no problem. We have some seeds, we're ready for it.
They look very hungry. They're waiting right here next to the camera.
So let's try it out, guys. Let's see if they take seeds from her hand. Come on, little chick. Good bird. I hear one in the tree here. He's coming around. Come and eat. Yeah.
They take one and then they go sit on the branch and they're holding it between their toes and they're pecking on it.
Yeah.
To get the shell off.
Look at that.
It's a tickly little feet.
Yeah,
They're just waiting in line there, taking turns. Coming one after another.
Yeah, they're really hungry, I think, too. They're glad to get this feeding time. They're all hanging out here. Little chick. Hello, chick.
Taking my finger.
Kulika's got some other kind of seeds now. Let's give them a variety.
They're sunflower seeds, but they are like the shells, they're dehulled.
Yeah.
So it's easier for them. They can put a full bunch in their
Come for a snack, birdie. Come here, chickadee. Good bird.
They don't seem to care.
They don't mind if they're shells or not.
Yeah, they can get them out from the shell as easily.
Yeah. Just getting the food is what they want. Yeah, it's a beautiful winter day, guys. Wanted to come out and feed some birds. Peach and Cherry at home, nice and snug in their cage. And Cherry's on the mend. So we thought we'd come out and see some wild birds. Get some fresh air. Yeah, there's birds all over. They're all over the trees. There's one up there. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Kulika, the bird whisperer. All the birds are coming to Kulika.
Because she has seeds.
Yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah.
Putting them in his crop.
Yeah, they have crops too. They're storing their food. Like crows do, and lots of birds. They take a bunch and then they go somewhere and eat them. See? They go somewhere comfortable. They stock up there at Kulika's hand. Yeah. This is wonderful, guys. Wish you were here. You guys could try this. You could feed
so
these chickadees also.
Wow.
It's a lot of fun.
Filling up the crop.
Wasn't that wonderful, guys? We thought we'd come out to do a little hike and feed the little chickadees.
There's one right here.
They're swarming right around us right now as I'm doing this outro. Wasn't it fun, Kulika, feeding those chickadees?
Oh yeah, what a wonderful feeling to have these little feet on my hand.
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever done that. It felt so nice, like little feet walking on me to get the seeds. So we hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. And if you're new here, think about subscribing to our channel. We got a lot of videos up. And we have 2 pet crows at home, Peach and Cherry. So if you subscribe, you'll get alerts when we get new videos out. And also, check that notification bell to make sure you're getting all our notifications. Thanks for watching.